everyone, welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your messages on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Viber app and make sure that you are logged in. Once the main tab has opened, click on More at the bottom right corner. Now in this tab, click on the Settings option. Here you'll find account in the first option, tap on it. Once again tap on the Viber backup which is in the first option. Once this page has opened, you'll find a backup now button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it. The backup process has now started and you'll be able to restore your data from any other devices you log into, and your data won't be lost now. That's it for today. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.